Recorded?
Not me.
I know, you always say that.
Don't.
All right, Jenny won. First time with GoPro. And I forgot to put this clip in, so I got pushed all the way back. So Roger's doing all the work. So right across the way there is where we found all those all the baby turtles.
Water is a perfect temperature.
Hold it.
Why? I can't see anything. I don't know what I'm doing here.
Let's see it.
Yeah. It's not sunny enough.
They're right there. There's look right ahead of you. Right there. There's an air bubble right there. Bunch of them.
I see bubbles.
Bubble don't mean nothing.
I'm looking for turtles.
All right, Jenny's home. And on another cruise. Didn't see any. We saw a bunch of air, but
I am soaking wet.
yeah, I know, me too. Where that comes from? This hill could be a tunnel.
DC's alternative rock.
Left.
One way.
Oh, sorry.
Right?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, the